And everybody, Bobby Two Pops breaks. It is Monday, October the 4th. We are breaking Bond Box full-size helmets. We randomed up our 65 remaining box numbers. We got number 47. We did random teams for this on your left. Teams, customers, been randomized, alphabetized. We gave you all the chance to trade. A couple offers, nothing went down, no. So here we go. Well, bud, you're going to be happy you didn't trade them. Bam! Going to be a Cleveland hit with the Nick Chubb Hydro F7 Beckett sticker and card on that baby. Bam! Really nice looking helmet there. And I think that was Z. He was trying to trade him. Yes, sir. Did offer him in a trade there, guys. Z going to take our very first box. Not a bad way to start the night there, guys. Nice Hydro F7. We're going to put one of them Z's. Friggin' no number 9 here, I guess. Got a 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 times. Well, I got Pat and G. Going to be qualifiers 19 and 20. That is for the Manning Flex at the end of series. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, Twitch, 8 p.m. Central. Bobby Two Pops.